Guys, welcome back to once again my channel. Later styles. I am unable to provide specific reviews or project handles as my training data does not include real or time or use different content such as review and latest styles ideas. Crocheting handbags and crocheting latest ideas feel free to customize your handbags with different stitch pattern colors or embellishment to make it unique. Enjoy your crocheting handbags allows for endless creativity. Here are some ideas and varieties you can explore. Create a classy bag with sturdy handle. You can use a thick cotton yarn for a beautiful stitches pattern. Add front at the bottom for a boom and look. Use earthy tones and texture stitches. Design a lightweight mesh style bag for carrying different grocery each. It's both functional and eco friendly. Patchwork use different crochet square patchwork styles. Ideas. The most beautiful latest ideas. Patchwork styles. Here are some ideas relate to handbags and styles design for different collection and different ideas. Handbags. Remember to choose the yarn and wool size for the type of bag. To experiment with the various stitches and color combination to make your crochet handbags truly unique. Happy crocheting! Crochet handbags review latest and styles ideas for girls, women. Here are some ideas. Crochet handbags. Crochet handbags are a popular and stylish accessories. You can create unique designs using various crochet stitches and patterns. If you have any specific question or need tips on crocheting,